Artesia blockchain is very good. Artesia allows users to compute all kinds of data while maintaining complete data privacy at rest, in transit, and use. Artesia offers the solution to complete privacy, advanced multiple computings to bring privacy to public blockchains, scalability via built sharding at both the protocol and smart contract layer, the industry's most secure interoperable token and data bridge. And Particia is with Microsoft in business.